So I was just laying in here in bed, and I purposely cut that off, and I made that short because I want to make these short ones, so you can have more content, and it'll be quicker for you when you want to come back and watch more. And better for me too, so I don't, in case I have to do editing, but I'm probably not going to do it. But anyway, I want to get this content out there because this is I had the opportunity, I didn't really have the opportunity. I guess, I could have. Anyway, I always wanted to take the opportunity to, how can I say this? To document my rise to quote unquote fame and fortune. Yes, I will be a billionaire, and it's not about the money though, but it's about my purpose. And my purpose behind my music, my movies, and everything that I do, the free food I'm going to give in all the restaurants, everything, it's all about showing you that you're worth it. You can do anything you want to do.